Good morning, one and all. I hope you are having a great day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. It's going to be a good one. Take 10 seconds and find something to be thankful for before I get going. You've got all sorts of stuff going on. I know this week I'm thankful for moms because Sunday is Mother's Day. So I've been thinking of my mom and my mother-in-law and all the great things they do for my family, and I'm very thankful for them. So take 10 seconds, think of yours. Got one? Good. Remember that today. All right. On to our math for the week. We've got our number talk, which I will help you with in just a second. You've got another story problem, which I will have a video up for after this. You need to finish practicing those twos, both multiplying and dividing. Make sure you've got those both in your head down pat. And then your multiplication race game. Today's your last practice day before the competition tomorrow, so make sure you've got that out and practicing. So let's take 10 seconds and look at this one here. Today, actually I'm going to put this back up. Today is kind of the opposite of yesterday. Yesterday they gave you words and wanted to create a problem. Today they gave you a problem and want you to put it into words. So you kind of have to think back to some of those words and phrases I posted yesterday. If you can't think of any, go on to yesterday's number talk video and scroll towards the end. I had a list of like keywords that mean something. Like if you saw the word sum, you would know that you need to add because that's the answer to an addition problem and things like that. We need to use some of those words today to put these into words. So let's look at this first one. It might help you to just kind of read the problem. It says 12 times 5 plus 25, or the group of 5 plus 25. Those words I just said are kind of what I'm looking for. I have 12. That's what it starts with. I'm going to go with the word times, but there's lots of word choices for multiplying. I'm just going to use times this time. 12 times, what do I have going on in here? I have 5 plus 25. I have to use words to say that. So let's do 12 times, I'm going to go sum, since I use that in my example. The sum of 5 and 25. And remember, it needs that hyphen in 25 because I have a multiple of 10 followed by a non-zero number. So I have 25 with a hyphen word. That was one of the last things we practiced right before we went off on whatever you want to call this. So make sure you get those in there. All right, on to this guy. Read it out loud to myself. 62 minus 12 times 11. Okay? You could call it that. You could say 62 minus 12. Another word I could use is the difference of 62 and 12. Or you could say 62 minus 12. I'm going to get fancy and say the difference of 62. Did I do it right? If you're saying no, good for you. I left the hyphen out. And 12. Okay. There's this part. The difference of 62 and 12. What did I do to it? Multiplied it by 11. Multiplied by 11. There's that one. All right. One last one with me, and then you guys are on your own. What do I have going on over here? If you read the problem, it says 45 plus 55 times 23. So I'm actually going to use the word plus because I've already used some and I'm feeling different today. Hyphen or no hyphen? If you're saying hyphen, good job. 45 plus 55, hyphen or no hyphen? If you're thinking hyphen, good job. And then I'm actually, let's see, what have I used? I used multiplied, so I'll go times this time. I did times. I'll keep going. Times 20 hyphen 3. All right. Now this guy's on you. This is what you're sending to your teacher. Do your best on your spelling. If you're doing it on a computer, that might help you a little bit. But make sure that the way you say this includes everything in there. There's 3 steps this time. Everything else I've done has only had 2. So make sure you get all the steps and everything said. Okay? Have a good day, guys.